Hello everyone, let's dive into one of the world's most mysterious ancient wonders, Bayon Temple, right in the heart of Cambodia. If you've ever seen those massive, serene stone faces peering out through the jungle mist, that's Bayon, iconic, enigmatic, and absolutely unmissable for any traveler. Built in the late 1100s by King Jayavarman VII, Bayon wasn't just a temple, it was his state temple, his mausoleum, and the spiritual center of Angkor Thom. Think of it as the king's cosmic headquarters, crowned by a soaring central tower meant to represent Mount Meru, the sacred mountain at the heart of Hindu and Buddhist belief. Originally called Jayagiri, meaning Victory Mountain, the temple honored Avalokiteśvara, the bodhisattva of compassion. But Cambodia's history is anything but straightforward. After Jayavarman's reign, Bayon switched hands. It became Hindu for a bit, then Theravāda Buddhist, with each era leaving its own artistic stamp. Now let's talk about those faces. At one point there were about 216 of them, carved into the towers, gazing serenely in every direction. Some say they're the king himself, others say it's Avalokiteśvara, or maybe even Brahma. Either way, those smiles are timeless, blending royal authority with divine compassion. Getting lost in Bayon is half the fun. The temple's a labyrinth, 3 tiers, winding corridors, steep staircases. The deeper you go, the more it reveals. At the heart, the central tower rises over 40 meters, surrounded by dozens of smaller towers, each with its own mysterious grin. And don't miss the bas-reliefs. Over 11,000 carved figures tell stories of daily life, epic battles, and ancient legends, like a stone comic book stretching across the walls. Bayon isn't just a temple, it's a journey through Cambodia's soul, a place where history, mythology, and human imagination come together in stone. If you're chasing adventure, Bayon is calling. Like and subscribe for more amazing destinations.